Hey y'all, it's Dora. Today's fun project is solid bubble bath, more specifically tropical floral shapes. I actually made these as decoration for a Tahitian bubble bath powder that I made. This solid bubble bath turned out amazing. A few flowers filled my entire tub with bubbles. I think they turned out so pretty, and they're easy to make too, and it's a very simple recipe. Only 3 dry and 3 wet ingredients. You can replace the cream of tartar with cornstarch if you like. You don't have to pour the wet in slowly, there aren't any reactions to take place, but use a spoon though, it's much easier than a whisk. Use liquid colorant first if you like, and then I like to go back with color powder and or mica to achieve the exact shade that I'm after. I find it just much easier this way. I used cornstarch to dust the paper with at first, but I didn't like how it stuck to the shapes, so I started using mica and I really liked the results much better. But this is your choice. Be sure to clean the rolling pin after each use. If there's any residue on it, it'll eventually stick to your dough and will pick it up and rip it. And if anything is stuck on it, it will indent the dough. Dust the dough again so it doesn't stick to the paper. Believe me, there's nothing worse than cutting out a shape and having it stick to the paper, so you have to re-roll it all over again. I found this in my cake decorating kit, so I'm pretty sure it's for fondant or gum paste, but it definitely works for this too. I'm using this tool, but you can also use any cookie cutter, stamp, and plunger that you have. You don't have to do this part, but you already know I'm gonna. It really does make a big difference though, and I feel like I've already spent so much time and effort on these, why not spend another 10 minutes and paint them, you know? But this is up to you. The bubbles were great and they smelled amazing. I was very surprised at how little it took to fill my tub. They were the high quality buildable bubbles that you can stack on top of each other. And they lasted a while too. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this project, you'll find helpful tips in the description and the supply list at the bottom. And if you're interested in more creative bath inspiration, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly videos featuring fresh ideas and fun bath projects.